Hi everybody. Today I have a mystery box from Glow Addict. This box was $15 and it was a standalone box. It's not starting a subscription or anything. And when I was ordering it, I was able to choose between several different palettes or a set of eyeshadow brushes. And I chose the eyeshadow brushes. And I'm supposed to get 3 or 4 more items in addition to that. So let's see what we got. Okay, right off the top, I see the brushes. This is a set of 10. And there are these cute little mermaid brushes. Each one is individually wrapped. We got fan brush, this round brush like that. And one of these. They're nice and soft. A little pointy brush. I love the little mermaid tail on the back. It's so cute. And these, each one is different. Each one is a different shape and type, which is great. A little flat brush and an angled brush. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-piece set of these cute little brushes. Okay, and the next item is in bubble wrap. From Beauty Creations, and it says Splash of Love. I'm guessing this is some kind of a palette. I did see something from Beauty Creations in the selections. Oh yeah, there we go. This pretty glitter palette. These are beautiful colors. We have light blue, silver, and green, teal, green. Okay. Let's see how they look. Okay, yeah, these are glitter for sure. Okay, that's pretty. And next, there's another brush in here by itself. So I guess this additional brush counts as another item. Okay. Hope I don't have this shape already. Alright, so now we have 11 brushes. We have the 10-piece set and then we have the standalone. Okay. Looks very similar to this one. They might be the same brush or there might be slight differences. I don't know, but anyway, I got another brush as an additional item. And then, okay, this is the final item. So I got 3 other things. This one is Vitamin E 2-Step Sheet Mask. And it says, step 1 is toner. That's up here. And step 2 is the mask. Okay. It says rejuvenate and lift. All right. This unboxing was really quick. I got the sheet mask, the Beauty Creations Splash of Love glitter palette, the cute little heart-shaped mirror, the 10-piece mermaid brush set plus one other brush, so I have 11 brushes total. That's everything in the Glow Addict Mystery Box. I'm still thinking about whether I want to subscribe to this one or not. I'm not sure yet. But if I do, you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching. Bye.